Ang batang perya. Bow. Ang batang perya, naka-shorts. Hip-hop shorts. Bagay ba sa'yo hip-hop shorts, my tomboy? And how come you're so relaxed nga? Is this how you react after you poo-poo that much? Sobrang dami. Sobrang baho. 3 beses nagpupo. Parang mami niya. So, mahal, what happened to you, mahal? Can you let me know how much milk did you drink today? Huh? And how in the world did it happen that you have 3 little chins plus 2 big nostrils? Okay, yung socks mo daw matatanggal na. How did you do that nga? Paano mo nilabas yan? By yourself. Sa sobrang kulit mo, kakasipa, natanggal. I know how you do that, but good job nga. Good job for doing that nga. And I know nga, why keep on raising your hands? I didn't ask you any questions, and you're trying to answer me. What's wrong with you, mahal? Are you telling me that you have Presco kili-kili? Let me see your kili-kili. Come on, baby. Show daddy your kili-kili. Don't be selfish. Show me the baby kili-kili. Okay. Hi, fans. This is the baby kili-kili. And this is the baby triple chin. She just turned like this after 1 month. Probably because of her mama's breast milk. So, I think I should stop drinking that. I should just leave it for you. Because si daddy tumataba rin. Daddy shouldn't. It's not best for daddies. Breast milk are not best for daddies. Only for babies. Yes, So, how's your hip-hop shorts, mahal? How'd you like it? Is it Presco nga? Seems like a semi clown shorts na. And why you keep on yawning? Are you sleepy, girl? Are you a sleepy girl? Okay, let me show everybody your kilikili. Okay. Mahal. Nabalitaan ko, nitaihan mo daw yung bathtub, ba? Ikaw, Okay. Daddy didn't tell you, it's not the toilet, it's the bathtub. It's your bathtub. So, don't do it again, okay? Tapos, kaninang umaga, ano yung ginawa mo? Inisprayan mo silang lahat. Tinaihan mo lahat sila, pati si Tito Yiyi mo, tinaihan mo sa mukha. Kasi nga naman, Tito Yiyi, when you're changing my diapers, please cover it. Don't leave it open. Don't leave it wide open, like an open city. Otherwise, I pururot. Right? So, they know, mahal. They know. They respect your pururot. It just sprayed all over the place. Even the cabinets, they're full of yellow stuff. Oh my God. Okay. Mahal, are you getting angry? Yes or no? Okay, I got it. So you want to say, Daddy, shut up. I'm trying to sleep. Okay, I'm also trying to say, you got Lola's nose. Ha. But it's good because you also got Lolo's 2 dimples over here plus 2 here. So, can you give me one smile, please? Mahal, stop looking at me like that. Tatakot ako. Lagi ka na lang na Lagi ka na lang nangiirap eh. Walang irapan nga. Come on. Lagi na lang irapan eh. Ayoko nang irapan eh. Ano? Give me a smile, baby. Oh. What you want? Are you telling Daddy, Daddy, please pick me up. Put me in that carnival ride. Okay. Okay, I put you in the carnival ride. And let's end the stupid video. Okay.